We tested the previous version of T9H04. Before the EC was updated, we used T9H to run AIDA64 to test that its decibels at load were about 50–52 decibels. For the download of the latest EC, you can download it from the Chatreey support website. This EC is suitable for T9H and 15004 and earlier models. The T9H and 15004 model has been factory pre-installed with this EC module, so there is no need to upgrade again. After downloading, you need to format your USB flash drive into FAT32 format to put this file in. It is worth noting that after putting the file in, please do not unplug the USB flash drive, do not turn off the computer, or interrupt it. Then shut down and press F7 to enter the BIOS. After entering the BIOS, select Partition 1 and it will update automatically. After the update is successful, please turn on the computer. We will turn on AIDA64 to test its noise under load. Under the test load, its maximum decibel is about 40